Did you know that when you reach 40, signs of aging start appearing on your skin, like wrinkles, white hair, saggy skin, less eyebrows, and you starts looking older? But don't worry, because we'll tell you how you can reverse these effects using castor oil. So stay tuned till the end to learn how. Castor oil has versatile elixir with a rich history, boasting countless benefits that extend far beyond your bathroom shelf. From promoting luscious hair growth to nourishing your skin, castor oil is like a secret potion hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the magical world of castor oil, revealing its myriad benefits and surprising uses that can transform your daily life. But before we dive in, it's important to note that everything you'll hear here is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. So, with that in mind, let's jump right in and explore the incredible benefits of castor oil. Number 1. Treats skin conditions. Castor oil are rich in fatty acids, like ricinoleic acid, which fight inflammation and bacteria. This makes it a great weapon against acne, pimples, and other blemishes. Got eczema or psoriasis? Castor oil can help. It forms a protective shield on your skin, trapping moisture and soothing irritation. Just gently massage a small amount onto the affected area. But castor oil doesn't stop there. It can also help fade scars and stretch marks, and even boost collagen production for younger-looking skin. Also, its anti-inflammatory properties can cool down sunburns and ease the pain. Apply it to the affected area and let it work its magic. Enjoying this video so far? Hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Now, let's explore the next benefit. Number 2. Moisturizes skin. Castor oil acts like a superhero for your skin's moisture. When applied, it creates a protective shield that traps water inside, especially during dry or cold spells. Not only that, but it has humectant properties, meaning it attracts moisture from the air, keeping your skin feeling soft and supple. Struggling with dry, rough patches? Castor oil's got your back, or rather, your skin. This thick oil penetrates deeply, smoothing out those pesky trouble spots. So, using castor oil as a moisturizer can help keep your skin looking young and healthy. Number 3. Thickens eyelashes and eyebrows. Lashes and brows, rejoice. Castor oil can work wonders, thickening and strengthening them for a fuller, healthier look. This affordable solution is gaining popularity for its impressive results. The secret lies in its rich nutrients, fatty acids, vitamins, and proteins. These nourish and strengthen hair follicles from the root, promoting growth and preventing loss. Castor oil also acts as a natural moisturizer and conditioner, preventing lashes and brows from becoming brittle and breaking. This translates to a healthier, fuller appearance. Use a clean mascara brush or cotton swab to gently apply a small amount to your lashes and brows before bedtime. Consistency is key. With regular use, typically a few weeks, you'll start to see the difference. Thicker, longer, and more luscious lashes and brows can be yours. Number 4. Promotes hair growth. Grow your hair naturally. Castor oil, a thick, golden oil from castor beans, is your affordable answer to thicker hair. Its magic lies in several ways. It keeps your scalp healthy, preventing growth-stunting infections. Packed with omega-6 fatty acids, it improves blood flow to your scalp, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles for better growth. But wait, there's more. Castor oil also nourishes with vitamins, minerals, and proteins. These strengthen hair, preventing breakage and allowing it to grow longer and healthier. Using it is easy. Simply massage a small amount onto your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight for deeper treatment. Next up, let's see how castor oil tackles acne. Number 5. Fights acne. Castor oil throws a punch against acne. It has the power to kill the bacteria that cause those pesky pimples, reducing inflammation and preventing future breakouts. Castor oil are rich in fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, which helps keep your skin hydrated. Well-hydrated skin is less likely to overproduce the oil that clogs pores and leads to acne. But wait, there's more. Castor oil can also help fade acne scars by stimulating new skin tissue growth, making them less noticeable over time. Ready to try it? Apply a small amount of castor oil to affected areas, gently massage it in, and leave it on for a few hours or overnight before rinsing. Number 6. Reduces joint pain. Castor oil can help reduce joint pain by addressing inflammation, a common culprit for discomfort. The oil contains compounds that soothe the inflammation when applied topically to the affected joint. Additionally, using castor oil improves blood circulation, ensuring more nutrients and oxygen reach the joint, aiding in the healing process and reducing pain. When massaged onto the sore joint, castor oil's pain-relieving properties can alleviate discomfort. Regular use of castor oil also aids in detoxifying the body, reducing the buildup of toxins in the joints that can cause pain and stiffness. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, warm it slightly and massage it into the affected area. Alternatively, create a castor oil pack by soaking a cloth in the oil, placing it on the joint, and applying heat for approximately 30 minutes. Number 7. Promotes wound healing. When you have a wound, your body naturally responds with inflammation. While some inflammation is necessary for healing, too much can slow down the process. Castor oil helps reduce this excess inflammation, allowing your body to focus on repairing the wound. Moreover, castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids like omega-3s, crucial for skin health. Applying castor oil to a wound nourishes the skin, promoting the growth of new, healthy skin cells. Additionally, castor oil has antimicrobial properties, preventing infections that can hinder the healing process by inhibiting harmful bacteria and fungi growth. Furthermore, castor oil acts as a natural moisturizer. Keeping the wound area moist is vital for optimal healing, as dry wounds can lead to scabbing and slower recovery. Number 8. Natural anti-inflammatory. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties come from ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that fights skin inflammation. When applied topically, it can reduce redness, swelling, and pain caused by inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, castor oil also helps combat free radicals in the body, which can lead to inflammation and various health issues. Using castor oil helps neutralize these harmful compounds. Furthermore, castor oil improves blood circulation when applied to the skin, promoting better blood flow that reduces swelling and discomfort in inflamed areas. It serves as a soothing massage oil for sore muscles and joints, easing pain and inflammation when massaged into affected areas. Number 9. Softens lips. When applied to your lips, castor oil forms a protective barrier, sealing in moisture and preventing dryness and chapping. This barrier locks in natural oils, maintaining softness. Castor oil contains essential fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, nourishing lips for a smoother and softer feel. These acids also support healthy skin cell regeneration, aiding in healing cracks or rough spots. Additionally, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated or swollen lips, providing comfort. It serves as a natural exfoliator, gently removing dead skin cells to reveal fresh, soft skin underneath. This exfoliating action leaves lips looking and feeling smoother. Number 10. Natural laxative. Castor oil's magic ingredient is ricinoleic acid, which helps your gut move things along more smoothly. To use it as a laxative, you can swallow a small amount, but be warned, it doesn't taste great. Mix it with juice or water to make it easier to take. It usually works within a few hours, but remember, follow the recommended dose. Too much castor oil can lead to uncomfortable diarrhea. Some people also use castor oil externally. Applying it to their belly with a warm compress can help relax muscles and ease constipation. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our priority.